you don't get a long enough lunch break, you can still bop down there, grab your flowers, buy a salmon, and head back to your session.
This is Mike Lyons of Smart Meetings TV, and we are here at IMEX America 2021. We are so excited to be back together as an industry, and I'm standing here with Chandra Allison.
The meetings coming back are going very strong. We are getting overwhelming feedback from attendees and exhibitors about the quality of people, how great it is to be back in person, and just how meaningful those connections are doing it in person versus, of course, over the Zoom that we've all been so tired of over the last 18 months. We just recently hosted FinTech's largest show here in the United States. It was their 10th year anniversary, Money 2020. They had over 8,000 attendees in person, 2,800 exhibitors. It was an amazing show. We have introduced a number of new spaces. We introduced the Stella Studio last year, and that's a great space for small to medium-sized events that are looking for a unique venue, just right off the Palazzo lobby, easy to get to. The Tau Beach is coming in 2022. It's a great venue for the day life experience, but also for meeting professionals who want to do a great outdoor venue. We also opened some restaurants, Milos, great Greek experience. We are getting ready to open the MSG Sphere in 2023, which is definitely going to be a game changer for the industry here, changing the landscape, changing this immersive experience for how people actually consume content. So we're very excited about that, and there's a number of other things coming down our pipelines.
Well, we have a lot of fun, as everybody knows, in Milwaukee. First and foremost is our location. We are so centrally located in the United States. We're within 2/3 of a day's drive for the country's population. Our airport is located 8 miles from downtown, easy 15 minutes. We have 6,200 hotel rooms downtown. We are known for our water technology. The United Nations has recognized us as a global water hub. And we have about 20 or 200 companies that are focused on freshwater research and technology in the greater Milwaukee and Wisconsin area. We are anticipating a grand opening in 2024. We will have expanded our convention center to 445,000 square feet with a 300,000 contiguous square foot exhibit hall, and 24 additional meeting rooms. So it's going to be absolutely beautiful. It will also feature a second floor exhibit hall and ballroom that has windows overlooking the city and an outdoor terrace for receptions and events. We offer a very first-class experience, but at a very affordable price.
We have a very veteran team. We kind of joke around that our newbies have been with us 10 years, which is kind of a testament to our company and the service and the product that we deliver day in and day out. In February 2020, we completed and opened a 350,000 square foot expansion of our meeting space. It's just a continuation of our current space, and it's around the golf course, so it's a lot floor to ceiling windows, skylights, it's beautiful patios and terraces. And it's all about the outdoor experience. We got a lot of input from meeting planners, and we found that they want something different, and we feel we provided it with this expansion. I'm probably most proud of the fact that this convention center was built and designed by convention services and our catering teams, and it's built with their input on how to operate a program. You know, it's not built by somebody just writing down what looks good on paper. This is really designed for those who operate in the space, and we're really proud of that fact too. And the feedback from our clients we've had so far in there has been tremendous.
So much has been happening for the last 2 years. We've missed everybody, and so come anytime. And also I want to tell you about some of the incredible projects we have going on. We have 4 different billion-dollar projects happening downtown right now. Most importantly for this audience is the Summit Building, which is a $1.9 billion new build convention center. So we have 2 buildings right downtown. We have the Arch building, which is our existing, and this is Summit. This upper picture here was taken when we broke ground, or excuse me, it's a rendering, in August of 2018. This picture was taken of August of this year, and it's an actual of what's being built. So we're really excited. The finish line is so close. We're opening for national programs in January of 23, and we get to have 2 centers right downtown. We have inventory of about 15,000 hotel rooms downtown. To your point, a really incredible offering of boutique properties. And you can walk to the market from the center in about 6 minutes. And if you don't get a long enough lunch break, you can still bop down there, grab your flowers, buy a salmon, and head back to your session.